Welcome back everyone to the Hello World Guy, and this is episode number 20 of the first person shooter series. And in today's video we are going to try to finish our weapon multiple weapon setup by adding pickups for the weapon. So how exactly are we actually going to do that? Well, for this, what I'm going to do is let's first of all try to create a method for the generic kind of thing for the pickups. So I'm going to go to the scripts and I'm going to create a new folder here called pickups, and then I'm going to open that up. I'm going to right click, create a new C# script here and call that pickup. Alright, so now open that script up and remove the unnecessary stuff. And in the pickup script, we want to make sure that this is an abstract class, because we don't want to have a class that is we just don't want to have just a pickup. So what we are going to do is we are going to make it like this. We are going to basically have a abstract void called pickup, and this is going to be of course protected abstract void called pickup. And then what we are going to do is this is also going to take in a player called player. And then what we are going to do is, come on, why is it giving an error? Okay, picked up, let's call it that. And now what we are going to do is we are going to just go up here and add in a start. Let's add a start method here, or let's actually don't. Let's not add a start method. We want a on trigger enter method. On trigger enter, and we are going to not check if other is equal to null, because other cannot be null. We are going to check we are going to check player is equal to other.get component player. If player is not equal to null, pick up player. That's as simple as it is. And now we can start adding more stuff to it. So let's go under Unity and compile, and now we can add an actual weapon pickup in here. That is exactly what I have done here. As you can see, I've already added a weapon pickup script in here, and what you need to do is you need to remove the top to using tags and then all of the functions in here. Then you need to make sure it inherits from pickup, and then you can just go here, press Alt Enter, and by the way I have switched back to Visual Studio and implement the class. And this currently just throws a not implemented exception, but we are going to change that. And let me just go here and then do this and then do this. Yeah, that's better. And what we need to do in here is we need to basically say something like well, we want to pick up the actual gun. So for this I'm going to go into player.cs, and we need to add in a function here that allows us to pick up guns. And for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in, go in here and below here, I'm going to add in a public void called unlock weapon. And this is going to have an int called I. And what we are going to do is we are going to have this here. It's taking it's a little bit slow, you can see, kind of lagging. And I'm going to just copy this, and then I am going to paste it here, and then make sure that we have got everything set up, and there is not our events are not null, and the I is within the account. And then we are going to just set is unlocked to be true, and it's as simple as that. And in here what we are going to do is we are going to say player dot well, we are going to first of all have a serialized field here, a private int called weapon index. And then what we are going to do is we are going to say player dot unlock weapon weapon index. And I don't think we actually, yeah, we need that. Okay, so this is going to work. So you can see it's a really small script, and it actually does what we need it to. So yeah, that actually works. So now we need to actually test that, and for that we need to actually create a prefab that has got a weapon pickup. And yeah, that is basically the way that we will do it. For this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go under prefabs, and then I'm going to just add it to the weapon thing here. And you remember we only need to add it for the heavy and the sniper. I'm going to copy that and then duplicate them, select these and then duplicate them. And then I'm going to rename the heavy one to heavy pickup, and then the sniper one to sniper pickup. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the hit scan weapon from here and instead add in a pick up weapon pickup, and then make sure that the weapon index is set to 3 for the sniper, and for the heavy weapon it's supposed to be 2. So just remove this, add in a weapon pickup, and make sure that the weapon index is 2. Now if I were to add in a sniper pickup in here in the scene, and you can see it's kind of small, I'm going to open up the sniper pickup, make the sniper rifle and make its size something like 1.5. And then I'm going to open up the heavy pickup and select the actual weapon and then make its size something like 1.5 as well, not 11.5, 1.5. And then let's go back, and yeah, that looks a lot better. And then I'm going to add in a heavy pickup in here as well. So let's go under game view and let's hit play. By the way, this won't actually work because we need to make sure that we have got like a collider here. So I'm going to add a box collider. Then I'm going to just decrease its size on the X and the Y, and let me just go to the front view, and then let me just increase it on the Y, like that. Then just decrease its size on the Y, and then increase it a little bit again on the position of 0.7 or 8. Yeah, that's perfect. And then I'm going to reduce the size on the X a little bit as well. Then let's go to the side view, and let's try to increase its size on the Z. Alright, that's better. And then what we're going to do is we're going to open up the sniper pickup as well. We're going to go to the front view, and I'm going to add in a box collider, and then I'm going to add in a I'm going to just remove the X size and decrease the X size, not remove it, and then just change it until it actually fits. And you can see that, and then go to the side view by pressing X up here, and then just increase it on the Z a bit as well. So yeah, that's pretty awesome. Let's go under muzzle flash now, not muzzle flash, game view, and after that what you should see is that now we can actually pick up our gun. And of course you need to make sure that both of these colliders are triggered. So heavy weapon is a trigger as well, and then the sniper pickup is a trigger as well. Let's hit play and see if that works, which it should actually. So let's see. And you can see that it's compiling, and once it has compiled, and just wait for that to happen, and then what we are going to do is we are going to go here and collect one of these, and it currently does not destroy the pickup, but now we can switch to all of the weapons, which we couldn't do before. So yeah, that's pretty awesome, and that shows us that now we can actually have a perfect weapon system. Even though we need to change a couple of things, we will add more to this, and when we are actually finishing up the actually adding more pickups to our game. So stay tuned for that, and I will see you in the next video, and well, bye.